to the starting point. To Ling Pha Chai. So that's the starting. So we're starting here now. Going to Ting Phu Chai. So when you get off the bus, you need to walk back for the starting point. 4 of us now. The other 2 monkeys duty. Reservoir. Pastulan ng baka. Pastulan ng baka. Oh, may baka eh. May ribbon. Oh. Okay, let's go. Yapang eh. We're done with our first check-in after 1 hour. We didn't get our target first kasi malayo na siya sa way. I-get na lang namin siya sa next hike. Na sila. Malungkot sila guys kasi gutom na daw sila. Okay, going to Crocodile Hill now. So, follow the Thailand Chum. Oh, yan. Ting Phu Chai. Pupuntahan natin yung unang. We're going to the second check-in. But yung fire lookout. Okay. We'll go here. Fire lookout. Isa lang yan. I know, here. Kasi ito. Bike trail to eh. Go here. So guys, we went down again. We will take the wider road. Mga bida-bida kasi kami. Guys, kakain muna kami dito sa Crocodile Hill. Hoy, hindi ito sabsak! Ganito kayo ko ba din? Hindi. Ayan na sabsak. Ito yung sabsak. Malaki. Ay, go! Tapos na kami kumain dun sa restaurant sa loob. Grabe. Sarap na ang pagkain nila. Yummy. Yummy. Pati yung suka nila dun ang sarap. Try nyo guys pag pumunta kayo. Oh. Okay. Maclehos Trail Section 9. Gonna go to Ting Phu Chai now for our 3rd week. Lam. Pinakawalan ba naman ako dun sa bulihan? Section 9 of Maclehos Trail. Ting Phu Chai, that way. Okay, so we're here again because this is supposed to be our way, not that one. We took the shortcut and nadagdagan na naman ng few miles ang aming ruta. Oh, there's a picnic area here. Okay, continue your trail to Siklungkung after Ting Phu Chai. So there we go, guys. following the Yunchun Ancient Trail to Hafashan. Ay, so guys, naligaw na naman kami. Sa other way na naman kami, pero dapat dito pala kami. Okay.
This is what we call ligaw days. It's our third day of Sinway.
Ligawin kasi kami.
Yes.
Ligawin kami. Talaga ang mga ligawin. Okay. Diyan. Pabalik yung lab. Doon. Hafashan. Wow. So there's our next checkpoint. Hafashan. Okay. Going to Hafashan. Pang-5 pa lang to eh. Sa bundok. May ba? We're in Hafashan. Hold. We're back on the pavement. In the pavement. Ayun na. B1, B2! Oh! Yan, punta na kaming bus stop. Nakalimang pick kami ngayon. Kape. Okay, let's go. Bakit pinabahayan nilang trail? Tayo ngayon.